Hello, parents and the sweet little kids. How are you all? Today I brought the writing video, how to learn write alphabets in detail. Talking about the capital letters, I made the video in parts to make it short and clear. Before jumping in, parents, please do like and share the video, which will be very useful for the new parents. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. Okay kids, why late? Let's go in. Starting with the first letter, it's alphabet A. If you see, we have only the standing strokes, the straight strokes, the slanting line and the sleeping line, left slant and the right slant. Here, parents, keep in mind, give only 4 rule books to the kids, though they are new to writing. Do not give white papers, and scribbling is a very bad practice. Here, alphabet A is used only on the 3 lines, top line, second line and the third line. We start on the third line, move up, touch the top line with a slanting stroke, come down with the right stroke, and then we touch the second line and draw the sleeping line. Okay, here it is from the bottom, start from the bottom, move up, down and a sleeping line. Very simple. And kids, while you write, you have to tell the alphabet with your mouth. A for apple. Okay, and then after they are good with the dotted lines, you can give 3 dots, which is 2 on the third line and 1 on the top line. Start writing from the bottom, move up, down and a sleeping line. Once again, move up, down and a sleeping line. A for apple. Kids, while you write, you should not go out of the lines. We have to just touch the lines and write. Okay, no scribbling on the papers. Don't spoil the books. It is alphabet A for apple. Clear? Let's move on to the next alphabet. B for ball. Here we have 2 strokes. One is the standing line and other is the right curve. Parents, if you don't know the curves, please do watch the pattern writing video which tells about the curved strokes. Okay, pattern writing is very important for the kids for the pencil grip and ease of writing. Okay, let's start. Here the alphabet B starts with the top line, come down to the bottom line and lift your pencil, go up, draw the right curve and another right curve. Here the right curves should touch the lines, top line to the second line, and the second right curve should touch from the second line to the third line. Am I clear, kids? Start writing from the top line, a standing line, lift your pencil, move up to the top line, a right curve, another right curve. Okay, once again, standing line, touch the top line and the third line. Lift your pencil, one right curve, another right curve. Between the right curves, you need not lift the pencil. You will lift the pencil only to move up, start the curves. Okay, B for ball. While you write, you have to tell it with your mouth. B for ball. Next, moving on to the alphabet C. Here we have a single stroke, which is the left curve. It's so simple. C for car. Tell it with your mouth and start writing. Touch the top line, curve down, left curve, touch the bottom line. So simple, right? Again, start, touch the top line, left curve and touch the bottom line. We use only the left curve here, which is simple. Again, top line, touch the third line and then curve the left curve. Alphabet C, C for car. Kids, tell the alphabet while you write, which is a good practice. Okay, next moving on to the next letter, D. D for dog. We have 2 strokes here. one standing line, and a one right curve. Okay, now starting from the top line, similar to the alphabet B, straight line, lift your pencil, go up, and then draw the right curve. One standing line, lift your pencil, go up, and a right curve to the bottom. Then leave one right curve. We start from the top line and end up in the third line. D for dog. Standing line, lift your pencil, and a right curve. Okay, it's easy, right? Move on to the next alphabet, which I have seen most of the kids like this alphabet, which is easy to write. E for elephant. It's having only two types of strokes, one standing line and a sleeping line. We repeat the sleeping line for 3 times. One standing line from the top line to the third line. Lift your pencil, one sleeping line. On the second line, 2 sleeping line. On the third line, 3 sleeping line. It's just the alphabet E. E for elephant, with only 3 dots on the 3 lines to identify one standing line, one sleeping line. On the second line, 2 sleeping line. On the third line, 3 sleeping line. Once again, one standing line, E for elephant, one sleeping line, 2 sleeping line, and a 3 sleeping line. E for elephant. Moving on to the next alphabet, it is F. F for fish. Okay, it's much easier than E. We have only 2 sleeping lines here. One standing line. Moving from the top to the third line, 1 sleeping line on the top line, 2 sleeping line on the second line. So easy, right? F for fish, with just the dots. Standing line, 1 sleeping line, and 2 sleeping line. Parents, please observe that the kids are writing on the lines, not above or below. They have to touch the lines, and the sleeping line should be on the lines. Once again, F for fish. Standing line, 1 sleeping line, and 2 sleeping line. Nice. So far we have learnt alphabets A to F. Moving on to alphabet G. Parents, alphabet G is little difficult for all the kids. They take little while to learn, so you have to teach them in detail and need more practice. Okay, here the strokes are the left curve, sleeping line, and standing line. And once you observe, we should not lift the pencil while we complete the alphabet. It's a single stroke alphabet. Let's start. First, draw the letter C. Left curve, touch the lines, go up, left slanting line, right slanting line, and a sleeping line. It's all together. We don't lift the pencil in between, okay? Just remember, kids, do not lift the pencil in between. It is alphabet G. G for gun. Okay, now again start. First write the C letter nicely, neatly. Move up to the second line, left, right, and a standing line. So simple. Once again, left curve, alphabet C. Move up, left, right, and a standing line. So simple. You need more and more practice for this particular letter, which is having more lengthy stroke, but it's only a single stroke. You should not lift the pencil in the middle. Okay, it's alphabet C, and then sleeping lines left, right, and a standing line. G for gun. Moving on to the next alphabet, it is H. Very simple alphabet. It's having a standing line and a sleeping line. First start with 1 standing line. Again lift your pencil, another standing line from the top, and then sleeping line. Parents, I have observed kids drawing 2 standing lines from the bottom, not from the top, which is not a good way. We have to draw the standing lines from the top line only, top to bottom. Lift your pencil, again go up top to bottom, and then sleeping line should be from left to right. Okay, let's see. standing line, top to bottom. Lift your pencil, standing line, top to bottom, and a sleeping line. Okay, once again, H for hen. Standing line, another standing line, and a sleeping line. H for hen. Kids, do tell the alphabet with your mouth while you write. Don't sit mum and keep scribbling, okay? You have to tell it with your mouth and write. Alright, did you like it? Please do like and share the video for the new parents. I will be uploading more and more videos with different topics like stories, rhymes, crafts, and many more. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.